Test. This is a civil danger warning for the state of Alaska. Large, 10-foot-tall humanoid creatures have been reportedly breaking into homes and killing civilians across the state. Immediately lock all doors and windows to your home, and turn off all lights. These creatures are impervious to all harm, and as such you should not attempt to detain or fight them, as this will only result in your death. This message will repeat.
Okay, so I don't know what the hell that was about. Probably just a prank or something. All these hackers nowadays and whatever. That's weird. Someone's at my door. What the fuck?
911 is currently experiencing an influx of calls.
No,
Please hold.
no, please. Ah!